As the Holy Ghost was expanding at RVC, He was pinging and speaking to me. Because God gives us a choice. We knew we had a vision, a call, a place to be.
We didn't wait for perfect conditions. We just started loving people.
You know, little by little, something happened. People came back, families started to show up. Every step forward made us honestly feel like there was a chance to rebuild that building. Knowing that the broken building outside would someday match the growth and the life God had within these walls. Now, mind you, we're not doing this for any other reason but to give you documentation of the 7 years of the building we tried to rebuild. We still love Jesus Christ. We still love Christ. We still love Christ of Christ. We believe that there's a reason for every season.
But behind the scenes, another story was unfolding. Meetings, plans were being discussed. Progress began to slow. Why did something that seemed so simple become so complicated? Felt like there was nothing in the bucket to begin with. So why does repairing a building feel like something invisible is pushing against us? Something invisible is pushing against rebuilding the
Serve Jesus Christ. We want to do nothing but be the children of God.
So why does repairing the building feel like something invisible is pushing against us? Something invisible is pushing against rebuilding the church.
As you can see, the living room became a sanctuary. The hallways and the bedrooms became the children's classrooms. The backyard became a place where bonfires, neighbors gathered, prayers happened, we shared meals together. And my friends, follow up, subscribe, because there's like 7 more episodes to come. We're just telling you the story on how we couldn't repair the church.